Hey, what's up guys? So today I got a 2015 Kia Sorento. This thing, I got it flooded. I just got in right now. We already took all the seats out. All this was just thrown inside. My boy Robert here is taking out the water. I was in the back, or inside. So we're gonna try to see if we can save this. If we can't save it, then I'll use it for parts. But outside wise, it looks very, very nice, very clean. There's no water in the engine. That's a good sign. I'm about to turn it, see if the engine's not seized up or anything. But if I put power to it, it works. You hear all that ticking? So come over here. Dashboard lights up, but that center one, I know that odometer cluster is gonna have to be replaced. The screen turns on fine. It works if I touch it. Come on, okay. Triggers don't work. AC blower works. So yeah guys, I guess stay tuned for this project. We're gonna see what we do to it. And get all this water out. I use this car for a boat, what it looks like. But yeah. Poor Robert. Never does nothing. So yeah guys, stay tuned. So I'm about to peel off all the stickers, all that white tape. See if that top sunroof closes. So probably order a front windshield. Go ahead and do that. I'm gonna have to get a key made for this car too. It has no key. Well, it didn't come with a key. So yeah, let's see how this project goes. Got some nice chrome rims. Really like it. Alright guys, so I'm taking off this tape off this top panoramic roof. I'm gonna try to get that this sunroof closed. This plastic tape isn't very hard to peel off right now since the sun's hitting it. But sometimes when it's real good and stuck, it takes forever to get off. Hey guys, I guess we're gonna see how this project turns out. If I can get to turn on, because like I said, this thing was flooded. This is what the option said, right? So if I can get this thing to turn on, you know, I got this vehicle very, very super cheap. I'm not gonna tell you how much I got it for yet, because flooded vehicles, it's not always very good. You gotta put a lot of money into it, a lot more electric stuff, all that sort of stuff. Whoever has bought these flooded vehicles, they know what I'm talking about. I'm just taking this tape off just to see if this panoramic roof will close. Right now you can see it's peeling off kind of easy. So, I don't want to take off the front end just because of the glass. I haven't ordered it yet, right? As you can tell, this thing's wide open. Look at that, guys. So my boy Robert here doesn't know how to use a phone, so he accidentally canceled the video. But literally peeling this sticker off, we found the key right here on top of the roof. It's kind of funny. That's very funny. But since it's still showing inside the car, it should at least turn on. But it was up here up top. I'm about to give it a quick start here in a few minutes, guys. Let me take this top tape off and I'll try to turn it on for y'all, okay? All right, guys, I got that top sticker off. Look how much water we have gotten out of this car. and he's still getting water. There's still some on that other side over there. So we're gonna give this a good cleanup. I'm about to start it up for you guys. I'm gonna close that sunroof, see what it does. So I already got it connected, right? I got the car on. All right, look at that. Shoot, hell yeah. Uh-oh, that's no good sign. And now that is what I'm talking about. I love it. So now let's turn it on. Cross your fingers. I got the key. Nope, nothing, guys. Oh, oh shit, hell yeah. Well, I definitely got to replace the cluster. Let me turn it off. Just got it to turn on, right? So, but I already checked the oil, right? So there's oil in there. It is shaking a little bit. So I'm gonna turn it off. Let's check the back. The back seems to be look good. Let's throw a little bit of smoke. Probably because it's been sitting at the auction for a very long time. But it is knocking up front. You can hear it knocking. It's not a good sign. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you a little bit more of that 2015 Kia Sorento that we had got here flooded. We got these two guys fighting over here. Hey, stop fighting. Hey, stop fighting. Anyways, 2015 Kia Sorento. Little story. It was flooded, and now I'm trying to get it back to. It's running right, but now I'm trying to get ready to sell it. So, anyways, we changed the oil. Oil didn't have no water. It sounds real good now. We're actually changing the rotors. The brake pads are really good. So we got these two. I think he already finished the one in the back. Right. This one's already done. The inside, we actually just finished it up, getting detailed. We already put everything inside. Well, close to everything. We're still missing those plastic pieces on those pillars right there on each side. Sunroof, everything, headliner, missing the seats. Carpet got real good and clean. But it's turning out very, very good, guys. I'm about to install that center console. But everything's looking pretty good. I'm gonna have to put probably brand new tires on it since they are kind of worn out. Alright guys, so just looking at this real quick, I'm gonna show you something on these tires. These tires are very, very bad. I'm gonna have to get off. We got a little surprise there. Don't put your hand in it. But all four tires look just like this. So we're gonna have to put all brand new tires and take it to get aligned. Good thing I got my tire machines right there. So I'm about to go get those new tires. Stay with me. These two dogs fighting. Alright guys, got all 4 new tires. I'm gonna put them on the Sorento. So, yeah, now let's get back to that one. Rubber here, taking off the tire. Right, so he's obviously going to clamp it on. He needs to remove it first, obviously, release a little bit of pressure. Boy, Robert got 15 years of experience here. Unlike me, I got about 6 months and I've probably broken already 4 rims. You got a little surprise there, didn't you, Robert? That's what put us on? Alright, so obviously he's gonna got a little inside, tightens up the wheel. The good thing about the machine, when you release it, it falls. Since we're doing 4 rims exactly the same, it literally falls exactly where it needs to go. That's why I love this machine. Makes me work less. Don't be too mean, Robert. Got a little stuck. Uh-oh, she's being mean. She don't want to come out. There she goes. So Robert spins it so he doesn't get that sensor. So these these rims have TPMS sensors. He spins it so he doesn't really break it or anything when he tries to take off this tire. Oh, come on, Robert. There you go. You ripping the glove, man. Working hard. Boy, Robert. This tire's no good. You can tell, look at this right here. It's been wearing out so uneven. Probably the alignment. We're putting these tires on and then probably take it to alignment tomorrow. One day this week when we get free. What is that, Robert? Glue? The glue?
No. It's gel.
Gel? What is that? Let's see. Universal mounting paste. It's supposed to make it easier. It makes the wheel slip in there. Slips. Supposed to look at that. See that? Just slipped in there real nice and easy. This is what it is. 15 years of experience. No tools. There it goes. We got little numbers. I gotta be careful right here just because it's gonna pop out right at me. So these tires tell you exactly how much PSI they need, and so this says 44. How much we gonna put in there, Robert?
40.
We're gonna put 40 in there. blow some out when you put that valve stem in there. Boom. There it goes. For all y'all who always wanted to see how to mount a tire, my boy Robert got you. I'm gonna personally brakes. Sinker. Don't want her to roll too far. All right. Now what do we do, Robert? Now what do we do? All right, so now we're gonna put these seats in there. I forgot to put that center console, so should probably do that first. Actually, he'll do these seats, and I'll put that center console on there. What's up, guys? So right now I'm working on this 2013 or 2015 Kia Sorento. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to it. All right, so this thing was flooded, like I mentioned to y'all before. You can see a little bit of dirt there. I don't know if it's sand, like from maybe driving it, because dirt does come up, but that seems way too high up here. There's like little rocks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the spark plugs. Obviously these three are gonna be easy, fairly easy. I have to remove that intake to get the other three that are right back there. I have to remove some components here, remove some of those lines, come down, move all that. Well.
So today I'm going to show you what we just got done right now, right? Is we just installed that brand new windshield, all right? I'm about to install the little plastic pieces right there on the A pillars, or on the little pillars right here on the side. But now it's ready for inspection report, guys. So I should be getting that done here in about 30 minutes or so. Inspector's on the way. I actually already ordered my wipers because it did not come with wipers. Yeah, guys, this one was pretty nice. I hope, by the way, if this is probably gonna be my second, third video uploading. Subscribe, like my channel, thumbs up, go follow my salvage Instagram page. I post a lot of stuff there. Just I don't really post a lot of videos. I'm getting used to it. But anyways, yeah, go follow, go like, subscribe, stay tuned. Anyway, so yeah, guys, this thing is turning out pretty nice. Seats in there. I gotta put all that back together. I'm gonna do that after the inspection gets done. But I already checked everything, you know, everything the inspector checks, I already checked, so it should pass with no issue. These are all the stuff that go in that front dash. But yeah, guys, this thing is turning out really nice. Like I said, this car, like I said before, this car was flood. It was in a flood damage. That's what the title says. Yeah. So if you're ever looking to buy a flooded vehicle, I actually got really lucky on this one. So I've never really bought any flooded vehicles before, but I had bought this one. I purchased this one for parts only, but it got here and decided to just try it out, see what it does. So far so good. You know, actually that's another Kia Sorento for parts right there. That one is a 2012. I already used it to fix 5 other ones, so decided to get this one apart. There she is. I just gave her a quick wash, so here soon I'll be, once I get back from putting fuel in her, I'll be starting to buff the entire car. But so far so good, you know, it's driving like a champ, you know. Hitting 50 right now. I do need to get it aligned, all right? I do need to get it aligned. The only thing is right now, this coronavirus, they're closing early where I take my cars to. Because if I take it somewhere else, they're gonna charge me a lot. And I already got a good deal with the people I use. All right, guys, so I just pulled up to the gas station. Let's fill her up. Alright guys, just filled her up. I'm completely on full. Alright, now let's take her back to the shop. Now let me tell you exactly what I'm gonna do to this Sorento. Now I'm gonna buff the entire vehicle and then take these off. This is like little sticky stuff. When it got here, I don't know if y'all seen it. Y'all probably already saw it, but the wrap that was all right here because there was no windshield, it leaves all that marks behind. So I'm gonna have to get that off, buff the entire thing. There's still more of those sticky stuff somewhere over here, and then remove these watermarks that they had drawn on it. I got some already off, but not all of it. And then buff this side and then the rear. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Time to get ready to buff, so if everything turns out good on this thing, you know, I'll be leaving hopefully next week. So technically it's already sold, but I told the customer I didn't know if it was gonna work, but then while we did all the steps, everything showed up positive. Seats were good, everything. We put the cluster in it. You know, I put some money in it before we figured out if it was ready for sale, if it was going to be able to sell. Because when flooded vehicles, you don't know exactly if maybe the engine's blown or the transmission or any internal stuff, computer components, any electrical. But yeah, so far so good. So yeah, technically she's already sold. Good for me, right? guys, so today I just received the cluster for the Sorento, right? So now I'm gonna install it and let's get to it, guys. Here's my cluster. So I left everything off and I got that cluster there. I just left that one on there so when I drove it I knew how much gas I had left and the miles per hour, how fast I was going, because I did have to take it to get aligned. And here is my paper. Obviously it was a little off. You can't really read this, but you know, they say the closer to 0 the more. But either way, guys, I got this Sorento aligned. Everything's looking good. Now I am going to install that cluster, so stay with me, guys. All right, love y'all. Alright guys, so we just got it installed, so now let me just make sure it works, you know, let me show you. So far so good. So the miles, it should say 65 something thousand miles. Alright, everything lights up. Okay, 63. I just can't remember what I had written down for them to adjust it, but 63.5, so that's good. We're good there. Let's turn this sucker on. Alright, yeah. But now let me finish installing everything. Alright guys, so I just got it done, installed. We're about to take it for a little test drive, but everything looks good, you know, everything's working like it should. That's it, we're done with this project, you know. So everything looking good, no lights on, it's running right now. Because before, the RPMs would go up, when it come back down, it would go all the way close down to the 0 and it would like try to shut off. That was before I changed the spark plugs. But now everything's perfect. New spark plugs, got that new fuel, and yeah, it's looking good. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, this is the first confirmed test drive. Feels real nice. Everything's working like it should. I mean, this thing is a lucky buy. I'm gonna tell y'all that. I don't recommend buying a flooded car, but if you do, you might get lucky, just like me. But like I had said before, I bought this car for parts, and I mean, have y'all seen, slowly it's been turning out to be a good buy. Then again, I'm not telling you to go buy a flooded car, but I had originally bought this car for parts. Sorry guys, I got cut off there, but yeah, I sell a lot of Kia Sorentos, so it was going to the auction, so might as well. I bid on it and I won it. Yeah guys, if you like this video, subscribe, like, give a thumbs up. I have an Instagram page, so if you want to go follow me there, it's _salvageking_. I'll put it down here somewhere so you can just look it up. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. Be safe, wear a mask. Right now in the coronavirus, I don't got one on because I just came from the shop, but if I'm going somewhere right now, I'm gonna have a mask on. But yeah guys, thanks for watching.